The width of a rectangle is 4 meters less than the length. The area is 16.25 square meters. Find the length and the width. We'll begin by familiarizing ourselves with the situation, and to do so we will draw a rectangle, and we can label the rectangle with the length and the width. In order to do this problem, we're going to want to work with just one variable, and we're told that the width is 4 meters less than the length. So we can write, instead of the width, we can write length minus 4. And so when we go to the translate step and we write our equation, area equals length times width, we can write in for the area 16.25, since the area is 16.25 square meters. And then for the width, we can write L minus 4. So we have L times L minus 4. And this gives us an equation with one variable. If we multiply this out, we have 16.25 equals L squared minus 4L. Subtracting 16.25 from both sides, we get 0 equals L squared minus 4L minus 16.25. We can use the quadratic formula now. We let having A equal 1, B is negative 4, and C is negative 16.25. Using the quadratic formula, we have L equals the opposite of B, which is the opposite of negative 4, plus or minus the square root of B squared, which is negative 4 squared, minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is negative 16.25. And all of that is over 2 times 1. Simplifying, we have L equals, the opposite of negative 4 is 4, plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 1 would be 4. 4 times negative 16.25 would be negative 65. And all of that is over 2. And simplifying still further, this would give us 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 65, which would be 81. And again, that's over 2. Now we know the square root of 81 is 9. So really what we have are two solutions, 4 plus 9 over 2 and 4 minus 9 over 2. So we have L equals 4 plus 9 over 2, or L equals 4 minus 9 over 2. And simplifying further, this would be 13 over 2, which is 6.5, or negative 5 over 2, which is negative 2.5. Now, since we're dealing with lengths and widths, we're not going to be able to use the negative answer, but we have a possible positive answer of 6.5 for the length. And that would give us a width, since we know the width is 4 less than that, that would give us a width of 2.5. To check, we would multiply these together and find that the area is 16.25 square meters. And so we can state that the length is 6.5 meters and the width is 2.5 meters. And be careful to use the units when you write your answer.